Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle energies. So if you have any doubts or if you want some answers for some kind of circumstance in your life, guys, you can watch that reading that may give you clarity in your situation, guys. Sagittarius. So let's see what are these cards first. So we have Nine of Spheres in reverse, Three of Spheres, and Knight of Sons. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your career situation, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are facing a change, maybe change in the place of work. Maybe for some of you, it may be a promotion taking you to a different place of work, and traveling away from the place, maybe changing residence or moving away from this person for some of you. So maybe you are making an immature choice today, guys, maybe, or it may be because of some promotion or change in the workplace. That may be the reason you are traveling or these changes are right upon you. And I also see that you have people working with you, helping you, guys, and you are you are, maybe if you were trying for a new job or a new work, maybe in some other field, you are getting that, and you are really dedicated and devoted to your work, and you have skills and talents, and your reputation is growing, guys. People simply admire you, and there are people coming to you for guidance or some kind of advice. So they are admiring your skills and talents and the way you have grown in your career or in your life in general, the way you are today. So the hard work you have done or all the efforts you have put in your life is paying off today, guys, and you are happy for it. And for some of you, maybe there is a person who is quite jealous of you, jealous seeing you this way. So they may be working against you, trying to use you in some ways, guys. So you have to be really careful with this person. And maybe, Sagittarius, today destiny is playing its part. Maybe whatever you have done, if you have done good, that good karma is coming back to you. If you have done something bad, that is also coming back to you. So karma is working in your life today, guys. So it may be good or bad consequences you see in your life today, guys, in your career and in your relationship. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Five of Stars. So with this card, it may be what you feel about this relationship or what this person feels about you. So maybe they are quite, what to say, worried about you, and you may feel or they may feel neglected. Maybe this move away to a different place of work is taking yourself away from this person, or maybe they are moving, so some kind of a separation, so they feel left out or they feel lonely, and it may be a difficult situation you are facing today, guys. But if you are able to communicate with them openly, you are going to transcend these difficulties. So an open talk with this person is going to help you in this circumstance, guys, Sagittarius. So for your career situation, guys, we have purpose. So in your work situation, there is someone, it may be your mentor, or it may be your team leader, or it may be someone in your family. So this person is helping you and they are influencing you in the right way. So they are helping you find the right thing or the right choices in your work situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you, and you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is fork in the road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved, going deeper with that other person, or just walk away? So, this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love, and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So, there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong. But the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.